How to fix WhatsApp status sound on iPhone. So if your status sound is off, first make sure your iPhone is not silent mode. If it is on silent mode, you're not going to hear any sound of the status. The next thing, make sure the volume of your iPhone is set to max so you can hear it. The next thing is make sure your internet connection is on. Sometimes slow internet also causes the problem, so make sure to fix that. The next thing what you can do is open up your app store and over here search for WhatsApp and check if your WhatsApp is up to date. My WhatsApp says open, that means it's up to date, but if it showed me update, I need to click on it to update it on the latest version. After doing all this, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, maybe the status has no sound, because sometimes if the status or like the uploader of the status has not set any sound, you're not going to hear anything. So it's not your problem, it's just that the status has no sound to begin with. So make sure to check that. And after doing all of this, if it's still not fixed, the last option is make sure to back up your WhatsApp and delete your WhatsApp and reinstall it again, and your problem should be fixed. That's how you guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.